What's up, YouTube? Today I'll be showing you guys how to make a avatar viewer. What you're going to need is you're going to need Visual Basics 2008 Express Edition. You're going to need avatar viewer code. This is a text file, so the download link will be in the description. You should take a look. There's two. It tells you which button to put it on. So search button, save button. Alright, so what you're going to do is open up Microsoft Visual Basic 2008. After you do that, you're going to go where it says Recent Projects, and it's going to say Create, Open. You're going to click Create Project, and then without choosing anything, just automatically choose it for you. Type in your name to your program. Click OK. It should load up. Alright, so mine was taking a little while, so I pause the recording. Alright, so what you're going to get is this little thing called Form 1. You're going to get a toolbox. You're going to make your Form 1 really long, and you're going to click on it, and it's going to show this like outer black box with like extension tools or extension little dots there. You're going to go down where it says Properties and find where it says Text, and you're going to change it from Form 1 to everything you want. Alright, so now what you're going to need is you're going to need two buttons. It doesn't matter what you put right now. Now what you need is you're going to need a group box. And you're going to put one super like skinny, and then you're going to put one super kind of wide and not long as this one. Alright, so you can click on it and these little like bold things will come up, and you're going to find where it says Text, over your Properties, erase the text, so it looks more professional. You can add text if you want to, it doesn't matter. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go where it says Common Controls, and you're going to find a thing called Picture Box. You're going to make sure the picture box is inside this group box, or group panel, whatever you want to call it. If it's not, it will not work, so please make sure of that. Alright, so now what you need is you're going to go back and where it says Common Controls, and you're going to find Text Box, and you need to put your text box here, and I would widen out the program thing a little bit. You're going to click on it where it shows you two things, and you're going to open it wider. Go down here, it says Text, click Gamer Tag. Scroll down, and you're going to see a thing called Text Align. You're going to click this little arrow, click Center, centers that out. Now you're going to put button 1, and you're going to expand it, and then you're going to put button 2, you're going to expand that, and you're going to click on it where it shows these bubbles. Go to Text, button 1, name it Search, button 2, make it Save. Alright, so if you click on the program here, and if you scroll all the way up until you find these things called background color and background image, you can add your own background image. I'm not going to do that because this is my tutorial. Yeah, I will not have a download for my avatar viewer, sorry guys, but now what you're going to do is you're going to make sure the avatar code text file is open. You're going to copy this. After the search button, the two little dots, copy that, go back to the Visual Basics, click on the search button twice. You're going to get this, press Ctrl V to paste, and you're going to go back after the two little, I think it's hyphen marks, and you're going to type in end, or you can type in E, and then you're going to find the text on here. It's called indif. Now, it'll say you have an error, but then you click on it and it'll say 0 errors. So now let's go back to the save button and get that. Control C to copy. Then go back to your Form 1 design, and you're going to Control V. Go back where it says ping and a little mark there, type in indif, or type in this, and then you're going to type it, get indif again. Now it should say you have an error, and you click that, it has 0 errors. Alright, so now what you're going to do is you're going to click debug, and you're going to start debugging. Alright, so your avatar viewer should look like this. Oh yeah, you can add your own little icon there. what you're gonna do is you're just gonna type in gamer tag or whatever your gamer tag, click search. It should come up with your name. Yeah, this is just my test run, so I'm not gonna have anything that neat or anything like that. So there's the avatar. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to project. You're gonna go to build. You're going to go to build avatar. Whatever your name is to your form, and then you're going to click publish avatar. You're going to browse. You're going to click browse, and you're going to save it to any directory or so-called folder. It'll say the folder blah 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 does not exist. Would you like to create this folder? Yes. Click finished. And then you can exit out of Visual Basics and exit out of this. You're gonna get that to pop up, and you're going to I click discard. You can save it if you want to. If you open up Pfizer, there's a setup. Click run setup. Click this. If you're going to make a folder, make it as a WinRAR folder so people can download. And if you open up the avatar viewer at that application, alright, it'll say launching application, so I actually paused it. That little box comes up. I just saw not that long, but it just click installed correctly. And look, your avatar viewer is done. Thanks for watching. Please drop a like.